Here's a quick tutorial on how to use your Canvas app in order to submit a photo for an assignment. So you're going to open your Canvas app, which looks something like this. You have to download it first. When you download it, make sure to use your San Mateo student email account. Once you open it, you'll see a list of courses. You click on the course that you want to submit the assignment for. You go to your list of assignments here. And for an assignment that your teacher allowed an online submission for, you can click on that and then you'll see a button at the bottom, a blue button that says Submit Assignment. That will allow you to submit a picture by clicking on Camera, or if you already took the picture, you can go to Gallery, or if you want to take a picture, you can go to Camera. You take a picture of the assignment that you want to submit. Make sure the whole thing fits into that screen, into the photo. Go down to the bottom where it says OK. And then don't forget, at the very top right, you click Submit. And then you should see a Submission Success button note here. My account is not real, so you don't see it. And then that's it.